Hello, I'm Steve Urban, founder and CEO of Riderflex, a leading recruiting and consulting firm known for its emphasis on cultural fit. I've spent decades navigating through the complexities of executive leadership, recruiting, interviewing, and hiring. And now, I'm excited to share a powerful tool designed to extend this guidance far beyond our direct interactions. Introducing Steve Urban's Career Coaching GPT, your 24/7 mentor and advisor, encapsulating years of my experience and insights into an accessible digital format. Whether you're preparing for your next job interview, seeking career advice, or looking to navigate through workplace challenges, this GPT is tailored just for you. Why choose this GPT? It's simple. Imagine having a tool that offers you personalized advice drawn from the vast reservoir of my podcast episodes, book transcripts, and hands-on experiences in recruiting and leadership, all for free. People just like you have leveraged these insights to propel their careers forward, mastering job interviews and making informed decisions that align with their personal and professional goals. But it's not just about finding a job. It's about mastering the art of career longevity and satisfaction. This GPT distills complex concepts into actionable advice, making it easier than ever to access guidance on the go, tailored specifically to your needs. Whether you're a seasoned executive or just starting out, the principles of success remain the same. Adaptability, resilience, and strategic thinking are at your fingertips with Steve Urban's Career Coaching GPT. Join thousands who have transformed their approach to career development. Visit the link in this post and start your journey to career excellence today. Remember, in this rapidly changing world, your ability to adapt and grow is key, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and let's build a future where your career is as dynamic and fulfilling as you aspire it to be. Tap into the power of experience with Steve Urban's Career Coaching GPT. Start today.